Hi everyone, this is Linda. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through installing VirtualBox and setting up Windows 11. VirtualBox is a powerful virtualization software that allows you to run multiple operating systems on your computer. Before starting the process, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements.
Firstly, operating system. Your host machine must have Windows 11 installed. Secondly, processor. VirtualBox requires a 64-bit Intel or AMD processor. Third, virtualization support. Ensure that VTX, Intel, or AMD v-AMD is enabled in the BIOS. Next, memory. RAM. VirtualBox requires at least 4 GB of RAM to run smoothly. Storage. A minimum of 10 GB of free disk space is needed. Finally, for graphics, a standard graphics adapter is sufficient. So what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a free open-source tool that lets you run virtual machines (VMs) on your computer. It allows you to install and use different operating systems without changing your main system. Now let's get started. Firstly, download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Open your favorite browser and typing VirtualBox.
Click the Oracle VirtualBox. This will take you to the virtualbox.org page. Click the download button, where you can see the latest version, 7.1.6. Here, you'll find installation packages for different operating systems. Click on Windows hosts to download the VirtualBox file for Windows. And the download starts automatically. Once the file is downloaded, click on it to open the installer. The installation will start. Click Accept License Agreement, then click Next. Leave all settings on default and simply click Next. On the Custom Setup screen, you'll see a warning. Click Yes to proceed. Click Next. The installation may take a few minutes. Once it's complete, leave the checkbox checked to launch VirtualBox, then click Finish. Now that VirtualBox is running on my Windows 11 system, click the New button to create a virtual hard drive. You will need a Windows 11 ISO file to install the OS. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO download. Click the first link to go to the Microsoft website. Scroll down to Create Windows 11 Installation Media. And click Download Now. After downloading the ISO file, open the file and accept the license agreement. Select your preferred language in addition, keep the defaults if unsure. Click the ISO file, then click Next. Choose where to save the ISO file. And name it Windows 11. Click Save. Downloading the Windows 11 file may take some time. Once downloaded, it will start creating the Windows 11 media, which will also take a while. When it's done, click Finish. Now, go back to VirtualBox to create a new virtual machine. In the name field, enter Windows 11. In the ISO image field, add the ISO file from where you saved it. I saved it in my desktop folder. Click Next to configure hardware. You can modify the virtual machine's hardware by adjusting the amount of RAM and virtual CPU count. Click Next, then choose whether to create a new hard disk file or continue without a virtual hard disk. It's up to you. Click Next. Now, you will see a summary of the configuration you have chosen for the new virtual machine. If you're happy with it, press Finish to create the virtual machine. Once the creation is complete, you will see the Windows 11 icon in VirtualBox. Make sure virtualization is enabled. Now, open the search bar, type CMD, and click to open the command prompt. To check if virtualization is enabled, type the following command: systeminfo, and press Enter. Look for virtualization information. You can see here that virtualization is enabled. Now, go back to VirtualBox settings and open Storage Settings. Find the CD or DVD drive. You should see Windows 11.iso there. If yours is empty, click the blue disk icon. You need to add the Windows 11 ISO file, then click Choose or Create a virtual optical disk. Navigate to the location where your Windows 11 ISO file is saved. Select the ISO file and click Open. It will now appear in the Virtual Optical Disk section. Then, click OK. Click on the Start button. Now, the next step is setting up and installing Windows 11. The process may vary depending on your computer and preferences. Installation may take a while. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup. Select your language, time, currency format. Then click Next. Setup is starting. Enter your Windows 11 product key. If you don't have one, click I don't have a product key, then click Next. Select the Windows 11 version you want to install. Here, I choose Windows 11 Home and click Next. Review and accept the license agreement. Then click Next. Select a location to install Windows 11, choose the format partition. Click Next. Windows 11 is ready to install. Click Install. Installing might take a while. Once complete, personalize your settings. Select your country or region. Then, click Yes. And choose the keyboard layout or input method. Then click Yes. You can also add a second keyboard if needed. Then, click Add Layout. Now, Windows is checking for updates. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Now add a name to your device. The name can't contain only numbers, no spaces, and no special characters. Then click Next. Now, the update is in progress. You can check out the latest Windows features. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account. After signing in, enter your password and click Sign In. Create a PIN. Set up a PIN. Create a PIN and confirm the PIN. Click OK. Choose your privacy settings for your device. Click Accept. You can set up your PC here, restore from a previous PC, or set it up as a new PC. Then click Next. Customize your experience. You can always change this in your settings, then click Accept. You can choose to link your phone to your PC, optional. Just scan the QR code below. Here, I skip it. You can also back up your phone's photos to keep them safe. Just scan the QR code with your phone's camera to get the free OneDrive app. You can skip it if you don't want it. Click Accept. You can also use Microsoft 365 for free. Just sign in and go. Congratulations! You have successfully set up Windows 11 on VirtualBox.
Open VirtualBox and click the Start button to check if Windows 11 is working. If you see a recovery screen, just restart the virtual machine. Once Windows 11 starts, enter your password to log in. If the interface appears too small, go back to VirtualBox. Click File Preferences, shortcut, Ctrl+G. Select Display and adjust the scale factor to the maximum. You can also adjust the font scaling for better readability. Click the Start button and log in again to see the changes. You can also right-click on the desktop, go to Display Settings and modify the scale and layout for further adjustments. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos about technology information. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.